Hey, welcome to Mercy Couture Wigs YouTube channel. All right, so we have everything wigs that you need, hair tutorials, behind the scenes footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, mercycouturewigs.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. All right, so today we are going to wash a wig. All right, and just show you how I wash it. So, you want to always try to wash it on like lukewarm, natural, warm room temperature water. And you always want to hold it where the part is. Okay, as you see what I'm doing, hold it where the part is. Especially if you do not know how to do hair and you want to preserve the part, just try to wash it and hold it there. So I'm just rinsing it from the top and letting the water drip all the way down. Alright, so now we are washing it, and pretty much I just want to get everything. You want to saturate the hair with all the water and make sure you just make everything is wet. Sometimes inner tracks do not get as wet, so you got to go through and try to detangle the hair prior to combing it, especially if it's curly hair. Detangle it before you wash it. Alright, so now I'm wringing it out, and I usually wring it out like that. So I don't do any kind of messy wring out anything because you don't want the hair to tangle. Alright, so now you see I still have my part preserved. So I am taking my shampoo. Alright, so this shampoo is pretty much, this is just for video purposes. This is the shampoo that I had at the moment. So I'm using it, and I pretty much put it like around the top. Now, this is what you should do on your natural hair anyway, is like really put it on top and just let it go all the way down, because you want to, cleanse the hair from the roots from the scalp to the root. So since this is not a natural person and this is a wig, you are going to just treat it the same way, but from the actual lace all the way down. Now, this is the tricky part, and just remember, because even though it looks lathered on the outside, you got to get inside and make sure you wash all of the tracks, okay, from the roots, because it depends on how long you keep your wig on. Now, that dirt probably could go, and especially if you have a ventilated cap. This is a dome cap, but if you have a ventilated cap, that the dirt and the sweat and everything can go to, the tracks of the weft. So you want to wash all of that too. You want to make sure everything is clean. You don't want to have any smell. You want to make sure, so you can use shampoo and conditioner that have like some perfume smell. Here I'm just wetting it because it's not as wet over there, so I wanted the product to smoothly go on the hair. All right, and I'm getting the part, just getting the lace. And I like to sometimes, you want to wash oh yeah, you have to wash a lace, because if you don't wear a stocking cap or anything underneath your wig, then all the grease and soot and everything from your hair goes on there. And plus, it's pollution outside, and you're going to get a lot of dirt and smog on your hair and all these types of stuff. So you can also wash the inside of the wig. Now, this was an old wig, all right? I don't know where this hair came from. I don't know what kind of hair this is. I didn't even know I had this wig. I found it in a drawer. So I'm washing it. Let's see how it comes out afterwards, once I finish. All right. So now I have finished lathering it up. You can lather it some more. You can do a second wash too, depending on how dirty you think the wig is and the hair is. All right. So you just keep holding the part and you wash. I start, let the water drip down, because you want to make sure you get the back too, because sometimes you don't get like the crown of the head, and there's still some soap there and everything. So you want to get that too. Now, you want to make sure all of the water is clear, so that way you know that you got all of the soap and shampoo and product out of the hair. Okay, so just keep, rinsing it all around, get into those tracks, make sure you got everything just nice and clean. And you can feel it if it's clean too. There's like a certain feel when you have totally clean hair. It feels like it's about to break, but it's not. Well, don't pull on it because it will break. It's just hair. So that can also give you like an idea of this is clean. All right, so I'm just wringing it out, and you want to wring it out really, really well before you put the conditioner in, because you don't want any soppy conditioner. And as you can see, I had some extra water at the end, and I was running low on conditioner. So this is, you know, you want to put way more conditioner, not way more, because this is actually enough conditioner, but you want to get underneath the wig too, because sometimes it just goes on the top and not where like your nape is, because that sweats too, and that has dirt, and that's on your neck, so you want to clean that as well. I mean, just like you're wearing underwear, you want to clean it. It's on your head, okay? So don't think that it's just a wig. No, it's not just a hat. It's like right direct. You just wear it all day. So why not clean it? Now with the conditioner, this conditioner that I use is the Garnier Fructose. It's not fructose, Fructis. Conditioner, sorry about that, and it leaves the hair smelling really, really nice, and it also leaves it nice and soft. Okay, so after you've moisturized and, you know, gotten everything in and massaged it in, go from the weft all the way to the tips, and you know, you want to get everything, get the closure. It's also good to just since you add bleach, if you did bleach your knots, to add some conditioner even underneath the lace. That way you know, you moisturize and add some nutrients to the lace, all right, the knots. Okay, so you can leave that there for a couple of minutes, 5-10 depending, and then after that you can rinse that out and then add a deep conditioner, and leave that in. All right, so I only left it in obviously for like 30 seconds just for the video purposes, but it still left the hair feeling nice and soft. Oh my gosh. But this conditioner actually didn't say to leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes. It's just a conditioner. But like I said, get a mask. You could do a mask every 2 weeks. You could do a mask every month. But I would definitely put a mask on the hair afterwards and do a leave-in conditioner. Like, it's a 10. I really like their leave-in conditioner. It leaves the hair feeling nice and fluffy and soft and just flowy right once it air dries. Because I do air dry my units. It just does something else when you air dry it, to me. But it's a little cold right now where I'm at, so we'll see how this air dry thing works in the cold. It's just going to take a lot longer to dry because it's not hot air that's drying it. But anyway, so make sure, again, like you did when you shampooed it, that you get rid of all of the suds. You don't want any suds. You want to get into the tracks in the middle of the wig, at the bottom of the wig, because sometimes you're not, you know, conditioner can get on the weft, so you want to get that off too. Not like it's going to do any damage to your hair, but you just don't want it there, because then it just builds, the product builds up, and you want that nice flowy, natural vibe once you wash the hair. So I wish that someone would tell me what kind of texture this is. It could be body wave. I don't even know if this is Indian hair, or I don't think this is Indian hair, but I just have no idea what wig this is, and when the hell did I make this. Okay, so pardon me, I have like 1,000,000 wigs that I make, so it's just really hard to keep a track of which and what you make. All right, so I'm wringing this out again, and you want to wring from the top all the way to the bottom, like that. All right, squeeze it, and just make sure that you're not, you know, and I kind of do that, like that one ring around my hands, but it's not going to tangle the hair because I'm not scrunching it up. As you can see, it just fell right back into position. All right, well, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.